As we had mentioned before previously that node file and L file, these two files are going to write down results of each nodal displacement and stresses into the output as FRB file. FRB file is the output file or the result file. It's a file that contains and includes all results including displacement nodes and stresses. And now we are pre-processing. Okay. Then we will solve it. And now if we check here, let's check the right hand side window. Okay, everything is going well and job finished. So it means that calculation was run properly. Tools, post-process. Okay, here we are going to show the results. Dataset entity. Sometimes it doesn't show full entity. It's stress datasets. Okay, misses. And now let's compare the results we obtained here with the results of the website. Okay, these are our results. 5.97 to the multiplied 10 to the power 1. The minimum one is 5.82 e negative 2. So it's okay, it's right because same result. That's good.